Your generator didn't kick on last night, huh? It probably wasn't maintained properly. And that's okay, because we can fix that with routine maintenance, expert repairs, and the best part about it, our work is guaranteed. Now, we're not gonna sell you anything you don't need, but if it's time to upgrade that old generator, we can do that as well. Because when it comes to generator repairs and generator installation, we crush it, literally. So, if you're looking for a new generator or repair and maintenance on the one that you currently already own, click the link below, fill out the information, and we'll be in touch with you soon.